I will give you exactly what to draw on your palm with respect to Jupiter in order to invite a lot of abundance. Learn that lesson. Simply, such people will walk away from you. I'll also give you a couple of pointers how to activate your Jupiter as well. The blessing is you will meet, maybe your wedding is fixed, or maybe you've been unhealed. If you're emotionally not secure, one night stand, many options. That is one warning card that has come. So you are getting messages, telepathic 5D communication. Look, you will make wrong decisions for yourselves. There you go. If you're feeling obligated, then you'll feel trapped. Hi Atma Namaste, welcome to an intuitive reading today about what blessing or warning that you have to hear. And if you found this video, then simply resonate with these readings by claiming towards the energies of this card. How do you claim the energies? Just pause this video, take a deep breathe in, breathe out before entering this reading. That is how you will be able to connect with the positivity, or even a warning is positive. If you see the warning, then you will know what you have to work on yourself, right? So it's a warning or blessing yin and yang oracle deck, and I hope you will be able to get a lot of insights with this. Oh my God! Oh wow, this is a very positive start for a reading. So what blessings are coming your way? You might be encountering yourself with your twin flame. If you've not met your twin flame, you'll be encountering yourself with your twin flame, strong soulmate even, okay? And telepathic, spiritual, divine connection. This is beautiful. This is the blessing coming your way. The next card here is abundance. The cards look so surreal. I want to be in that card now. Gifts, celebration, promotion, opportunity, successful ventures. These are all the blessings coming your way. Beautiful, beautiful reading. So some of you have already met your twin flame. Some of you, the cards are just falling. What are you guys doing? Who is this watching this video? Dream. So you are getting messages, telepathic 5D communication. Look at that. Twin flame was here. And then you have telepathic communication, astral travel, spirit guides, and signs. You're seeing repeat numbers. You're getting all kinds of signs. You're like not able to believe. Even in my reading, maybe you're able to connect a lot and resonate more with the readings because you're energetically aligned and you're working on yourself. Few of you here, what is the warning here? It is saying illusion. Don't be in confusion, not seeing clearly, escapism, addictions and fantasy. So few of you here have all the blessings in your way and you're lost in your fantasy. So acceptance of reality is important. That is one warning card that has come. And dream and twin flame and abundance are all seeming very surreal at the moment for me to do this reading. I'm so lucky. Wow, there is one card which has fallen. Let's see. Keys on a ring, one night stand, many options, decisions, unconventional, string along. So if you've been unhealed, if you're emotionally not secure, that is when these things happen, right? So this is a warning. Don't do it, because such addictions, as you saw here as well, right? Addictions. So they are very in sync with it. So if you have addictions like that, you will make wrong decisions for yourselves, or maybe you have a lot of options. So you have to cut down on this because it is not going to help your soul grow, okay? Although this was the path you chose, you will always have a choice to make and move away from such decisions which are not helping you in any which way, okay? Self-love. There you go. If we have insecurity, we will be behind multiple partners and one night stands and all of these things which are not spiritually good for us. So there you go. If you have a lot of self-love, you know to protect your body, you know how to treat yourself like temple, and intentions will be pure towards yourself and other people, focused on desires of the heart, self-worth, expansion, manifesting. So you know your worth. You don't need 10 people telling you the same things. You will need just one person who is aligned with your soul, who is your twin flame or soulmate according to the cards. That's the blessing coming your way. Maybe there is a realization coming your way where you are into all these types of, multiple partners, or you have certain addictions. And then the blessing is you will meet self-love. Okay? Then you will meet your person. So first, love yourself enough to treat yourself right. And your self-worth is very important. Have self-respect. Treat your heart with a lot of kindness and love and patience. Work on healing. Okay, it's a never-ending story. Healing. We are never healed enough, right? Okay, so let's find out. Oh, okay. Wow. What is this? I'm so. Summer, timing card. Summer, I told you that there is some progress which you will see once you heal. So the blessing coming is something is happening this summer for you. Maybe your wedding is fixed, or maybe your promotion is fixed. You're traveling somewhere. Something is fixed. The date is fixed only during the summer, and there are a lot of goals, progress. Maybe you've written in your goal chart. There's a chart, and I'm seeing you've attached certain things. You've written certain things. I'm just getting visions about whoever is watching. You've written, in this month to this month, something has to happen, and it is going to happen. Life force energy, new pet. Okay. Pet turns. So I think you will invite a lot of pets as well in your life. Okay. And maybe you will have new patterns also, which are going to help you. There is a beach, water I see everywhere. So maybe you're manifesting somewhere near a beach, or you're manifesting with water, and you're reading all about manifestation. External party. So few of you, the warning is karmic partner you have with you. So you you can't run away from a karmic partner. Let's say you are in a karmic relationship with your spouse or friend or father, mother, whoever. Physically, if you go away from them 3 months, 6 months later, you will meet someone who will teach you the same lessons which you didn't learn. Okay, so karmically, people are going to connect with you till you learn the lesson. Learn that lesson. Simply, such people will walk away from you, or such people will turn to become soulmates, turn to become twin flames. Okay, so learn the lessons, friends and family, work, other people, obligations. So don't do anything with obligation. Maybe that's the warning sign for you. So don't do anything where your heart doesn't align with. Don't do any work. Just say yes, 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 and then come home thinking, oh God, I should not have said yes to this person. Oh, now he or she took a favor now, or I did a favor and now I'm obligated, or something like that. Just don't feel obligated. Do it with full conviction, and only if your heart or your universe is asking you to do it. Okay? Thoughts, feeling trapped. There you go. If you're feeling obligated, then you'll feel trapped. Overthinking, and in their head, worries and fears. That's the warning card for you. I want you all to understand that this reading can be utilized to write down your affirmations. So maybe if there is any affirmation towards this, I will give you in between, and you can take a pause, do those affirmations, and take only the blessings, and utilize warnings as blessings as well for yourself. Now, control. Somebody here is very cold towards you, giving you silent treatments, not treating you very right. So that is the warning. So very shortly, you will face someone in your life who's like this, very silent. They are observing, they are hiding. Okay, warning. They are hiding. They are not what they are, seem to be. Feelings, secretive. So blocking emotions, mask. So this person is not telling you everything they are feeling. They are blocking their emotions. They have hidden agendas. So you have to be watchful about this person. Again, as you see, yin and yang energy, this person is very scary as well. So maybe they have hidden intentions for you. So make sure. Okay, this one card, and then we are done. Jupiter. As you see, Jupiter is done with its retrograde, and we are ending with this card. So Jupiter, all about Jupiter. How to attract Jupiter. In between, I will give you exactly what to draw on your palm with respect to Jupiter in order to invite a lot of abundance, money and prosperity in your life. Okay. Usually you have to use your left palm to write it on the Jupiter mount. Next, expansion, growth, pursuing passions, adventure, new opportunities, and fortune. Jupiter card is screaming action. So what all blessings you saw throughout, what all warnings you saw throughout, take action. If there were something that you have to work on yourself, take action and work on yourself. As you see the word here, action. So blessings as well, take action towards receiving your blessing, work on yourself, meditate, connect with Jupiter's energy, and I'll also give you a couple of pointers how to activate your Jupiter as well. Thank you so much for being in this reading. Atma Namaste.